Hi everyone, here is Zoe, and I've just started to learn programming on ActiveScale, and I would like to learn together with you guys and make mistakes and learn along the way. So I'm starting to learn Python on ActiveScale, and I'm going to start with a variables exercise. What does this code print and what unusual numeric literal feature is being used? I think it's the underscore. I think it's the underscore. It will print 1 million. Let's see if this is good or not. Okay, my answer was nice. You correctly recognized that the code prints 1 million. Okay, so it's something interesting actually. It prints 1 million. Python since 3.6 lets you put underscores anywhere inside numeric literals as a visual separator. They are ignored by the parser but make large numbers much easier to read at a glance. Okay, so this is a new feature. It's good to know. I will have another exercise, maybe hide the rankings and the leaderboards to give myself some more space. Which one of these assignments is valid in Python and why are the others rejected? Okay, I think the only one that is valid is this one, username with a snake case. The second assignment is valid as it uses snake case. The first one is not valid because it uses a dash in the name of the variable. The third one has a space in the name of the variable, so it's also not valid. Let's see. Oh, nice, perfect. Well, it's good that I studied a little bit about the basics of the naming of variables, otherwise I wouldn't have found this. Yeah. Okay, let's try another exercise. Why does this raise type error? Name Alice, age 30. Print name plus age. It raises a type error because you can not do multiplication between two different types. Okay, let's see if I will nail this. Oh, okay, I guess I didn't explain it well. You correctly noticed that the error is caused by mixing incompatible types. However, you gave the wrong operation. This code uses plus, not multiplication. Oh, yeah, it's addition, of course. Sorry. Well, let's try another one. What does this code print? Walk through what each line does to X and Y. Okay. X assigns 10 to X. Y says that Y is equal to X. Then X is equal to X plus 10, X plus 5. 10 plus 5, and the print statement is gonna print 10 and 15. Okay, I got 3 points. I explained correctly that x starts as 10. Y gets the value from x, and then x is changed to 15. However, my final output is wrong. The code prints 1510 because y keeps the old value it copied before x was updated. Okay, yeah, okay, cool. Makes sense. Let's try another one. Why does this raise syntax error? I think I know this. This is an easy one because the variable starts with a number. Nice. Yeah. A digit. Yeah, you identified the rows correctly. The name starts with a digit, and Python doesn't allow variable names to begin that way. Okay, cool. New one. How many points did I get today? Today I have 38 points, and I have 472 in total. Yeah, I've been doing quite some exercises, trying to learn, and I think I've learned a lot of things now. I have a 2-day streak and I've learned a lot of things. So think if I would stay learning every day for longer periods of time. Anyway, I don't think I've made the leaderboard yet because people have a lot of points. So it's okay. I'm gonna try some more exercises. What is the convention behind each of these naming styles? Score, max score, score tracker. The first one is lower case variable, I would say. The second one is snake case. The third one is, I think it's called Pascal case. But let's see if I'm right. Okay, yeah, I got 4 points plus 4 as a bonus, so cool. You correctly identified all 3 styles at the basic level, lowercase, snake case, and Pascal case. The main issue is that max score is more specifically screaming snake case, which is the usual convention for constant, so that part is a bit imprecise. Okay, so it was a screaming snake because because it had capital letters. Okay, well, good to know. Let's try another one. What does this code print? Walk through what each line does to x. So, the first line, x is declared equal to 10. And the second line, x is printed. So, 10 is printed. In the third line, x is assigned another value, 20. And in the fourth line, x is printed again with a value of 20. Let's see. Yeah, this was perfect. Cool. My answer shows that I understand that the variable's value changes between the 2 print calls. Yeah. So here is the first value of x, and then x is assigned another value. Okay, nice. Let's try another one. Why is this generally considered a bad idea even though it runs without error? I think from what I studied recently that list is not a good name to give to a list in Python because it will clash with the list type or class. Let's see if I explained it correctly. Oh, nice. Okay. You correctly identify that list clashes with a built-in list type class. The missing piece is that this shadows the built-in name. So later, code can't use a list something normally and may break or become confusing. So good to know. I get a notification, I think. Oh, I earned the Rising Star badge because I have 500 points. Well, that's cool. That's exciting. Did I make the leaderboard yet? Not yet. Doesn't matter. It's going well. I'm gonna try another one. Is this valid Python and what does it do? Like it doesn't look typical Python to me. Like the print looks okay. The other one, it is valid Python, but I'm not sure about why there are so many equal to. It will print 10, 10, 10. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, it is valid Python. And it prints 10, 10, 10. This is chained assignment. All three names get the same value. Well, it looks suspicious, but I guess, yeah, since logically it works, it must work in Python. Well, let's try another one. What do the underscore patterns in these variable names mean by convention? Internal equal to private. Dunder equal to magic. Well, I have no idea. I'm gonna be sincere with active skill. I have no idea. Maybe they will explain to me what it is. You didn't answer either part of the question. Okay, by convention, a single leading underscore usually signals internal use, while double leading and trailing underscores are for Python's special dunder names like init and str. Okay. Yeah, well, I knew about the double underscores that go in front and behind init, but I didn't know about the single underscore. So the single ones are for internal use. Well, I hope I remember this.